Hello my dear children, how are you? Fine? Great. So children, today again we will learn English subject, E for English. Children, in English we have learned all the small letters, right? Small letters A to Z. So now let's identify all the small letters with me. Let's pick A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Children, these all small letters we have learned each one by one, right? So now in sequence together A to Z how to write that let's learn. See children, here in our English Same 2 book on page number 53, small alphabet are given. We have to write here. Children, let's write with me, but how to write? Speak and write. Children, we have learned phonic sound also, right? So whenever you write alphabet, you have to speak the sound of that alphabet, okay? Now let's write with me. We are starting from small letter A. A says A. Then B. B says B. C. C says K. D. D says D. E. E says A. F. F says F. G. G says G. H. H says H. I says E. J. J says J. Next, K. K says K. L. L says L. M. M says M. N. N says N. O. O says O. P. P says P. Q. Q says Q. R. R says R. S. S says S. T. T says T. U. U says A. V. V says V. W. W says W. X. X says X. Y. Y says Y. Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. See children, I have completed A to Z one time in order, okay? But you have to write 4 times, okay? And always write in a order and speak and write. Children, loudly speak and write, okay? So children, after completing small letters A to Z in our English book, we have to write now in our 2A book, page number 92. See children, here A to Z are given, so you have to just look and copy, but speak and copy, okay? Now let's start from here, from A for apple. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says A, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says A, V says V, W says V, X says X, Y says Y, and Z says Z. Like this way children, you have to speak and write. And see children, how I have written. I have written properly within the line. That you have to write with properly and within the line. And how do you write? Let's see, I will show you something. See children, we have already explained you how to write small letters within the 4 lines, and some letters we have to write in middle line only, and some letters we have to write from first line to third line, and some letters we have to write second line to fourth line. So you have to clear about line concept and you have to write properly within the line. Okay children? So like this way, properly within the line, and speak and write, you have to complete this full page. Okay.